In this video, I'll show you how to add Grammarly in Word, step by step, so you can start writing with real-time grammar, spelling, and clarity suggestions right inside Microsoft Word. This is a quick and easy setup, and once it's done, Grammarly will be ready whenever you open a document. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly's desktop download page. You can type Grammarly Desktop into your search bar or go directly to grammarly.com/desktop. Once the page loads, look for the download button and start downloading the Grammarly installer to your computer. This is the first step because you need the desktop app installed before Grammarly can connect properly with Word. After the download finishes, open the installer file. On most computers, you can find it in your download folder or in the download bar in your browser. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation. If your computer asks for permission, click yes or allow so the app can make changes and complete the setup. Now follow the on-screen instructions to finish installing Grammarly Desktop. The process is usually straightforward, so just keep clicking the setup prompts until the installation is complete. Once it finishes, Grammarly may automatically open a browser window and ask you to sign in. When the sign-in prompt appears, log in with your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, use your email and password or sign in with the account method you normally use. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one first before continuing. This sign-in step is important because it links the desktop app to your Grammarly profile and activates the Word integration. After you're signed in, keep Grammarly Desktop running in the background. Now launch Microsoft Word and open either a blank document or an existing file. Once Word is open, click anywhere on the page and start typing a sentence or paragraph. At this point, Grammarly should automatically connect to the text you're writing. You'll usually see the floating Grammarly widget appear on the side of your active paragraph or text block. Depending on the version you're using, this may look like the familiar green or red circle, or it may appear as the Superhuman Go dock notch. That means Grammarly is active and ready to check your writing in real time. If the widget does not appear right away, make sure Grammarly Desktop is still open and that you're signed in properly. You may also want to close and reopen Word, then click into the document again. In many cases, the widget appears as soon as you begin typing inside the document. Once Grammarly is active, you can continue writing normally and use the suggestions to improve your text as you go. You can click on errors or recommendations to review corrections, grammar fixes, spelling improvements, and style suggestions. This makes it much easier to polish your writing directly inside Word without needing to copy and paste into another app. So that's how to add Grammarly extension in Word and get it working on your documents. It only takes a few minutes. And once it's set up, it can help you write more clearly and confidently every time you open Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.